Election Commission has made public the data on electoral bonds, and not just this. In fact, the data was released a day before the deadline set by the Supreme Court. Now, the Election Commission said that the data was published as it was received from the SBI. The information was given in two parts: details of donors who purchased the now scrapped electoral bonds and political parties which redeemed them. Now, as per the data uploaded by the Election Commission on its website, the BJP, TMC and the Congress were among the top three political parties that benefited the most from the electoral bonds. Bharatiya Janata Party received a funding of over 6,000 crore rupees via electoral bonds, while the Trinamool Congress got 1,610 crore rupees. The Congress, meanwhile, received 1,422 crores through those bonds. According to the Election Commission data, the biggest donor is Future Gaming and Hotel Services PR, who have made a donation of over 1,300 crore rupees. Other prominent groups include Vedanta Limited and Haldia Energy Limited. However, it's important to note here that these donations cannot be matched with the political parties that have received them, as the bond numbers which act as the matching code have not been released. The case came up in the top court today. The Supreme Court has pulled up SBI for not sharing the unique alphanumeric code of the electoral bonds. The SC has ordered the SBI now to hand over all the details to the Election Commission of India by tomorrow. The top court also questioned why all details were not divulged in the first place. The Supreme Court has asked the SBI to explain this lapse by the 18th of March.
So they said that they don't have copies of that, and therefore unless the court returns them what they had given to the court, they can't reveal that. And we will give you back the originals as well as the digitized data, which will be given to you by tomorrow, and by day after you should upload that. And they said that this information did not include the alphanumeric number of the bonds. So therefore, they have not given full information about the people who purchased the bonds as well as the parties who redeemed the bonds, because that should have normally included the number. So the court said that this, at least the numbers in each, the donor as well as for the recipient, should have been revealed, and therefore they've issued notice, because today the Solicitor General said Election Commission, the State Bank is not here, State Bank is not a party, please issue notice to the Election Commission, to the State Bank. So the court has issued notice to the State Bank and listed this matter on Monday to hear this issue.